What it do, guys? You know, I'm not really too big on intros, so we're gonna start with the video right now. Psych? What y'all think, bro? I'm trying to become a legit YouTuber. But now that we're here and you're here in the video, time for the sponsor. Just kidding, bro. It's me, bro. I don't got a sponsor. I just barely started all this. But hit them boys up. But when you do see the sponsor, you know your boy trying to get that bread, cause he's trying to get that bread. But today's video is actually for LASFIT Auto Styling. But the lights we did get today are for the daily. And the lights that we did get are my reverse lights and my interior lights. I do have some right here that they also send, but right now it's kind of bright outside. And you can't really see, but look, I'm gonna kind of wait until it gets a little bit darker so I can kind of show you guys how the reverse lights, interior lights, and these lights look. And to get to the reverse light for this car, you just gotta take this out. Looks pretty high-tech, yeah, I know. Right here, there'll be two clips. One right here. Wait, where's it at? Let's see if I can try to take it out with one hand. And to get to the reverse light right here, there's a clip right here. Where's it at? One right here and one on top. Let's see if I can get it real quick. There you go. And I already had the LASFIT light, but I took it out so you guys can kind of see it. It's right here. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus. Nah, it's not focusing. But this is the light right here. This is how the stock light will look. All you gotta do is twist, pop out, use this one, put it in, and twist back, and boom, good to go. Now after that, you just put it back. Then after that, you're good to go. The little light turned off because I had the trunk open a little for too long. That's all you gotta do. Put this back. Get right here, give a little twist. That's it. But I think I have some clips on my GoPro where I can kind of show you the difference when I did work on it. But I'm trying to also go to Now's house so I can also show you the ones he has on the truck. I'm gonna show you how bright they are. Like they're really bright. I'm not tripping or anything. Like they're really bright. They're good bang for your buck. They're really good. And then after that, I do have another project I'm gonna show you guys, but it's not for me. It's actually for someone special with the family. Look how bright that is. Look how bright that is.
Voltage is too low. Bluetooth disconnect. Bluetooth connection is successful.
Reverse, turn it off. Go. See, that's how bright it is. That's how bright. You see, if you have lights like these, you can see inside. This is why you don't cheat. This is why people are loyal with these lights. But as you can see, look how bright it is. Look how dark it is. Look how bright that is. Yup.
wave of destruction that's easy on the eye.
I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shop out pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.